So welcome to this video. We're going to run through our 25k challenge. Now we are currently on $2,500 profit, which is about 10% of the account balance. We're in an active gold short with 100 units or one lot, and we are just kind of seeing where we go with that. We've got about $300 risk on that. Markets are fairly quiet at the moment, but we've limited ourselves to $2,000. So if this balance from $27,000 goes down to 27 or 27,500 goes down to 27, which means we'll have $2,000 profit, which is 8%. What we'll probably do is just scrap it and stop and wait until our payout. Now our payout, if you look at our accounts here, you can see 280. We are due a payout in 4 days. So 4 days leads us to around 4 Saturday. So we should be paid nice and early on Monday. And that's when we're going to start scaling this project up, okay? So we're going to have, circa $2,000 from $180 to $200 investment, with, 10x that effectively with what will be paid. So $2,500. We will actually see of that. So it's easy maths, $2,000 times your 0.8. That's what we'll see. Now, $2,000 is plenty. That gives us $1,000 to reinvest in challenges, which is going to be the next step, and it gives us $1,000 to reinvest into our brokerage account. So again, this is what we've got here on ThinkCapital, Think Markets. We all use the same platform here, and we can transfer or change between accounts, whether it's prop, whether it is a personal brokerage, whatever the case may be. You can kind of chop and change and change as you please and switch between the two. For those that have been following, obviously you've got all the tools and bits and pieces from TradingView, so this is why we like it. It's really easy to analyze. You don't need to open up TradingView. You've got all the same perks as TradingView. You've got all the trading facilities, but you're not connected through TradingView. When you start getting glitches and lag and all that kind of stuff, very quick, very direct, very good. So this is the account so far, 27,500. Like I say, 10% profit, which puts us in a really good position. Kind of going into this challenge, and again, this has got scale to kind of increase, beyond 27,500. But again, we've limited ourselves to that $2,500. At the moment, we have on this position, we have $312 open risk, which would see us at around 27,200. So again, a really, really good position to be in. So on that basis, we're happy. We're going to probably, if this isn't a winning trade, make this our last trade. So I don't think we'll go below $2,200, and then we'd probably see out of that a withdrawal of, let's say, worst case, we've allowed for 0.8, $1,750 effectively, $1,760. So again, that's still good. $750 into brokerage accounts initially, and then we've got $1,000 to buy some 50k challenge accounts. We could try and scale up. We could try and go to, let's say, 100k accounts and have 2 shots at that, maybe 3 shots. But we don't want to jump the gun. The whole point is, we're trying to take our time here. We're trying to scale up methodically. We're trying to put, and preach good practices, not over trading, not going into heavy drawdown, not having big swings, and, only having a small account to start off with, which is $25,000, really encourages you to do that because, your max daily drawdown is $1,000. So you could easily lose this account in 1 day, and you haven't got too much buying power. At the same time, it still gives you enough, ability to leverage this capital, and see gains like we've seen so far, 10%, which is $2,500. Like I say, $2,000 withdrawal, which is 11 times, what you would get from this investment. So, it is really, really good, and this is the whole reason we're doing this challenge, is to demonstrate small money can be made into big money. And even if we do only get to $2,000 from this withdrawal, we've still seen some great growth. You can see straight away, if we go into our challenge, you can't actually, but we pretty much have never been in drawdown on this account. So whilst we've been in, higher equity up here, we were at 28,500 at one point. We've not gone below 25k, which is great. It's a great achievement because it makes trading a lot easier when you're trading forward rather than recouping losses and then trying to get back to balance and then above and beyond. So far, so good. Like I say, profitability, 57%, average trade duration, 35 minutes. Again, we're trading stock indices a lot of the time, almost a 60% win ratio, average win, average loss, and, generally we've pretty much traded something every day. You can see our trades here, not massive, but still quite lucrative. A few 2% losses around here as well. But equally, 2% gains. And there was a few larger ones when we were really cooking on gas. We obviously got set back, which was a shame. That's when we went from $3,500 down to $1,500. And now we're somewhere in the middle. So effectively, and in summary, we're looking to take this account now. We are looking to take it up to withdrawal. We'll be withdrawing this weekend. We're going to be starting to push out, the next methods going forward. So, 50k challenges, we're going to be providing one of those. Again, it's going to be a dual step challenge with ThinkCapital. We're going to be trading through ThinkTrader and using Think Markets as our broker. Check out the link below and you can get access to this platform. You can get access to the broker and bits and pieces, and you can trade alongside us as well. And follow this challenge. You can become a member in our members group and you're going to get access to these updates all the time. And as we get deeper into this challenge, there's going to be so much more content to follow and so much more value to be gained. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.